Today, I want to show you a Linux distribution that's becoming very interesting in the Linux community. It's called CachyOS, and many people are starting to see it as a strong, modern alternative to traditional Linux distributions. CachyOS is built on Arch Linux, which means it follows the rolling release model. In simple terms, you always receive the latest software, the newest Linux kernel, and updated drivers without waiting for a big system upgrade every year. But what makes CachyOS different from many other Arch-based systems is its focus on performance optimization. One of the most important features is the custom CachyOS kernel, often called the Linux CachyOS kernel. This kernel includes several performance improvements that aim to make the system faster and more responsive. For example, CachyOS uses advanced CPU scheduling improvements like the Bohr scheduler, which helps improve responsiveness when multiple tasks are running at the same time. The system is also compiled with modern CPU optimizations such as x86-64 v3 and v4 instruction sets. That means the software is built to take advantage of newer processors, allowing better performance compared to generic Linux builds. Another interesting optimization is link time optimization, often called LTO. This allows the compiler to optimize the entire program during the build process, which can improve execution speed and efficiency. CachyOS also provides multiple kernel choices during installation. Users can select kernels designed for different purposes, including performance-focused kernels and kernels optimized for gaming workloads. Installation is very straightforward because CachyOS uses the Calamares installer. Calamares provides a graphical installation process that guides you step by step, which makes the setup process much easier than installing Arch Linux manually. Now let's talk about the GNOME edition, which is the version we're using today. The GNOME desktop environment gives CachyOS a modern and polished interface. It focuses on simplicity, smooth animations, and a clean workspace where distractions are minimal. The Overview mode allows you to quickly manage windows and applications, while workspaces help you organize tasks more efficiently. CachyOS keeps the GNOME experience very close to upstream GNOME, but it includes useful system optimizations and sensible defaults so everything works smoothly right after installation. Because CachyOS is based on Arch, it uses the Pacman package manager, which is known for being fast and reliable. This means installing software, updating the system, and managing packages is very efficient. Another major advantage is access to the Arch user repository, also known as the AUR. The AUR is one of the largest collections of community-maintained software in the Linux ecosystem, giving users access to thousands of additional packages. CachyOS also integrates the chaotic AUR repository, which provides pre-compiled versions of many popular AUR packages. This can save a lot of time because large applications do not need to be compiled manually. For gamers and performance enthusiasts, CachyOS also includes system tuning improvements and updated drivers that help deliver better performance in demanding workloads. All of these elements together create a Linux distribution that focuses on one main goal: speed, efficiency, and modern performance. CachyOS combines the freshness of Arch Linux with practical optimizations that many users appreciate. The result is a system that feels fast, responsive, and ready for modern hardware. Linux distributions continue to evolve, and projects like CachyOS show how much innovation is happening in the Linux ecosystem. And if performance and cutting-edge software matter to you, CachyOS is definitely a Linux distribution worth exploring.